America just crossed $38 trillion in debt, and it's growing faster than ever. Visuals. Fast zoom in animation. 38,000. Debt counter spinning fast, Capitol building, plus dark clouds. Red warning siren overlay, subtle, inspired by, clear value tax, grand step in style opening shop. $1 trillion added in just 2.5 months. Visuals. Calendar pages flipping fast. Money stacking animation line graph shooting upward. Simple text overlay, not sustainable. America doesn't use a normal calendar year. Visuals. Fiscal year timeline. Okati, Septi. Whiteboard animation explaining deficit, simple math animation. Spending. Revenue style. Educational YouTuber explainer. Kurz gesagt Vibe but simpler. April looks good, but it's fake relief. Visuals. Tax day animation. April spike. Red deficit bars rest of months. Treasury building footage. Text pop-up. Temporary surplus. Half the money comes from your income taxes. Visuals. Paycheck. Tax cut animation. Pie chart. Income tax. 50%. FICA corporate tax. Tiny slice. Office. Working people. B-roll. Half the money comes from your income taxes. Visuals. Paycheck. Tax cut animation. Pie chart. Income tax. 50%. FICA corporate tax. Tiny slice. Office budgets working people B-roll. Interest payments are now bigger than the military. Visuals. Military footage. Compared with interest meter. Interest bar rising above defense. Big text. Interest 970B. Emotional hit. Slow zoom. Plus dark background. What do you cut? Social Security, Medicare? Visuals. Seniors walking. Social Security. Hospitals. Medicare. Red Cross animation on cuts. Protest crowd stock footage. Cut interest. That means default or inflation. Visuals. Federal Reserve building money printer animation. Grocery prices going up. Gas price signs rising. Style. Andre Gich, Economics Explained Style Visuals. It doesn't matter who's in power. Over time, government spending has kept growing. Year after year. No matter the leadership, the national debt continues to rise. Promises are made, but spending never truly slows down. The result is the same. More debt added to the system. This isn't about sides or politics. It's about numbers and reality. The debt has grown to historic levels, wrapping itself around the entire economy. And this crisis isn't coming someday. It's already here. Everyday people feel it first. Higher prices at the gas station. More expensive groceries, rising rent. Credit card balances getting harder to manage. Inflation reduces purchasing power, and higher interest rates make life more expensive. This affects families, workers, and future generations. Understanding money matters now more than ever. If you want clear, simple financial awareness, subscribe for more. And tell us, can this trend be turned around? Comment below.